If you've ever wondered how to get money into your Phantom wallet quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable ways to deposit crypto into Phantom. No confusion, no wasted time. Let's get started. Open your Phantom wallet and tap receive. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. Choose the one you already own on another exchange or wallet. For me, that's Solana. Once you select it, Phantom will show you your Solana deposit address. Go ahead and tap to copy that address. Now head over to the exchange where your crypto currently is. I'm using Bybit for this example, but this works the same on Coinbase, Binance, or nearly any exchange. In Bybit, I go to Assets at the bottom right, open my funding section, choose Solana, and then select Withdraw. Paste in the Phantom address you just copied. Make sure the network is set to Solana. This is important so your funds arrive safely. Choose how much you want to send, hit Withdraw, confirm it, complete any verification, and that's it. The transfer will take a minute or two and you'll see it appear right inside Phantom. Now, if you don't already own crypto elsewhere, or you simply want to buy using Apple Pay, a credit or debit card, or even PayPal, Phantom lets you do that too. Go back to the main screen and tap Buy. Select the crypto you want. Again, I'll choose Solana and enter the amount, like $100. You'll see different payment methods. Select credit, debit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal, and Phantom will show you available providers such as Transact. Tap Buy, follow the prompts, and your purchase will be deposited directly into your Phantom wallet, usually within a minute or two. And that's it. You've now got 2 quick and easy ways to deposit money into your Phantom wallet. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.